Christmas Eve, in Willowbrook town, the kids built a snowman all big and round. They laughed and played in the snowy night when they heard a hoo 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 so bright. A big red car came flying near with golden bells and lots of cheer. It floated in the starry sky, and Santa waved as he drove by. "Hello, my friends," Santa said, "come take a ride in my sleigh car red." The kids jumped in, eyes open wide, as Santa laughed with joy and pride. The car flew up over houses and trees, through sparkling stars and chilly breeze. Santa told stories of reindeer games and elves who sing and make funny names. Up in my workshop, toys are made, gifts and games all wrapped and laid. The elves are silly, they play all day, and the reindeer love to prance and play. Santa laughed, hoo 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 so loud, filling the car with joy all around. The kids laughed too, with eyes so bright, flying high in the Christmas night. Then Santa reached into his bag and pulled out gifts with a gentle wag. "Who's ready for treats?" Santa said, handing each child a gift of red. There were teddy bears that could sing, snow globes with sparkles that would swing, crayons that changed colors, so fun. For every child, a special one. They flew to a hill with a glowing tree, its lights as bright as stars could be. "Let's make a wish," Santa softly said, as each kid closed their eyes and bowed their head. Santa chuckled once more, "Keep Christmas magic forevermore. Kindness and joy are gifts each day. Keep them in your heart, come what may." The car floated back to Willowbrook Square. Each child hugged Santa with love and care. He whispered goodbye with a twinkle bright, then flew off into the starry night with a final hoo 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 and cheer. Santa was gone till next year, but the kids felt magic in their heart, a Christmas joy that won't depart.